Tired of marketing projects feeling like herding cats? Let's ditch the chaos and streamline your marketing project management in just 90 seconds. First up, campaign planning. Before diving in, define crystal clear objectives. What are you trying to achieve with this campaign? More leads, increase brand awareness, document it. Next, brainstorm ideas collaboratively. Use mind mapping tools or a shared document to capture every thought. Encourage everyone to contribute. No idea is too crazy at this stage. Break down your campaign into smaller, manageable tasks. Assign each task to a specific team member with a clear deadline. Use project management software like Asana, Trello, or Monday.com to track progress. Content creation is king, so plan your content calendar meticulously. Identify content topics, formats, and publishing schedules. Ensure all content aligns with your campaign objectives. Collaboration is key. Use shared documents and communication channels like Slack to keep everyone in the loop. Regular check-ins and feedback sessions are essential. Embrace Agile methodologies. Implement short sprints to deliver value quickly and iterate based on feedback. Daily stand-ups help identify roadblocks and keep the team aligned. Track your progress and analyze your results. Monitor key performance indicators like website traffic, conversion rates, and social media engagement. Use data to optimize your campaigns in real time. Finally, celebrate your successes. Acknowledge the hard work of your team and learn from both your wins and your losses. This will motivate everyone to keep improving and streamline your marketing project management.